Hey everyone, welcome back. The AI coding landscape is shifting fast, and right now there's a massive battle happening between the reigning champion, Visual Studio Code, and the blazing fast newcomer, Zed. If you're trying to figure out which one is the ultimate AI code editor for your workflow, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how their AI features, performance, and ecosystems compare. Let's get right to it. Let's start with Visual Studio Code. You already know it, and you probably already use it. When it comes to AI, Visual Studio Code is the undisputed king of flexibility. Because of its massive extension marketplace, you're not locked into one specific AI model. You can run GitHub Copilot for standard inline suggestions, or you can install powerful agent extensions like Klein to autonomously refactor your entire project. The visual diffing tools and huge ecosystem mean you can customize your AI pair programmer exactly how you want. However, because VS Code is built on Electron, stacking all these heavy AI extensions can make it feel sluggish, draining your laptop battery and eating up your RAM. On the other side, we have Zed. Built from the ground up in Rust with GPU acceleration, Zed is terrifyingly fast. When it comes to AI, Zed takes a completely different approach by baking artificial intelligence directly into the core of the editor, not just bolting it on as an extension. It features a native agent panel that can read your files, run terminal commands, and write code at lightning speed. It also includes edit prediction using their own Zeta model to anticipate your next move instantly. Plus, it has built-in model context protocol support, letting you easily bring your own API keys for Claude, OpenAI, or even local models via Ollama. The interface is clean, distraction-free, and it barely touches your computer's memory. But there's a catch. Because Zed is the new kid on the block, its extension ecosystem is tiny compared to VS Code. If you rely on highly specific niche plugins, advanced debugging interfaces, or perfect out-of-the-box language server support for every single framework, you might find Zed a little lacking right now. So which one is actually better? It completely depends on what you value most. If you are a dedicated Java developer working on massive enterprise systems all day, Visual Studio Code is the undisputed champion and will save you hours of headaches. But if you're a full-stack developer juggling multiple languages, you want a lightweight editor that respects your computer's RAM, or you're just getting started learning Java, Visual Studio Code is an absolutely fantastic choice. If this breakdown helped you pick your primary editor today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below letting me know which one you decided to install, and I'll see you in the next one.